Hey guys, welcome back to the Road Stern video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you reset your cache app limits. So guys, if you want to reset your limits, then guys, first of all, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you may just open your app store and in search bar, you may write here cache app and you make sure that you have latest and updated version of cache app. If you are not latest and updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may open your cache app and guys, here you may see that here the option of your profile, and guys here is the option of verify your identity, so you may click here, and if your identity is not verified, you may verify yourself from here. Then guys you may click here on limits, and guys you may check yes your limits will be shown here. So if you want to increase your limits or reset, you may click here on verify identity, or the second method is guys you may click here on support and you may contact to cache app support team and tell them your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So you may click here and you may click here on chat, and guys you may chat with cache app support team and they will reset or increase your limits from here easily. So by all this method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.